भारत की पवित्र धरती पर जहाँ प्रकृति अपने राज खोलती है, वहाँ एक प्राचीन ज्ञान बसा हुआ है। अ साइंस ओल्डर देन मेमोरी, ओल्डर देन टाइम इटसेल्फ। इस ज्ञान का नाम है आयुर्वेदा, द एटर्नल साइंस ऑफ लाइफ। कथा कहती है, जब मनुष्य को पहला रोग महसूस हुआ, देवताओं ने दिया एक दिव्य उपहार, आयुर्वेदा, पास फ्रॉम हेवन टू अर्थ। ऋषियों ने इसे सुना, समझा, जिया और फिर ग्रंथों में लिख दिया। चरक, सुश्रुता, अग्निवेशा, द प्यूनर्स ऑफ हीलिंग, द आर्किटेक्ट्स ऑफ मेडिसिन। आयुर इज इक्वल टू आयु प्लस वेदा, लाइफ, नॉलेज, द साइंस ऑफ लिविंग वेल। ये सिर्फ इलाज नहीं, ये जीवन दर्शन है। अ वे ऑफ कॉन्शियस लिविंग, अ वे ऑफ बीइंग। आयुर्वेदा कहता है, हम पंच तंतुओं से बने हैं, अर्थ, वाटर, पृथ्वी, जल, अग्नि, वायु, आकाश। दीज एलिमेंट्स शेप अस, डिफाइन अस, और इन्हीं से बनते हैं दोषास, वत, पिता, कफा। थ्री फोर्सेस ऑफ लाइफ, थ्री एनर्जीज ऑफ नेचर। जब ये संतुलित होते हैं तो स्वस्थ होती है। When they all fall out of balance, disease begins. Health is equal to harmony. Disease is equal to disharmony. Ayurveda listens to the body more deeply than we do. Nadi Pariksha, the pulse that reveals everything. Jiva Pariksha, the tongue that tells stories. Drishti, Sparsh, observation and touch. Ayurveda, it heals from the root, not the surface. Detoxification begins. Shuddhi, purification. Punajam, rebirth. Panchkarma, the five actions. Vamana, cleansing the stomach. Varyakna, cleansing toxins. Basti, colon therapy. Naisa, nasal cleaning. Rakt mokshana, blood purification. The body become lighter, cleaner, stronger. Each herb with a consciousness. Dincharya, the daily routine. Wake with the sun, drink warm water, move your body, eat mindfully, sleep early. Riturya, seasonal living, adapting with nature. Modern life races ahead, but healing us asks us to slow down. Science now studies Ayurveda and finds ancient truths: stress, anxiety, lifestyle disorders. Ayurveda holds answers, healing from inside out. स्वस्थ is equal to balance. रोग is equal to हम प्रकृति का हिस्सा है. We belong to nature and nature belong to us. जब हम उससे जुड़ते हैं, हम अपने आप से जुड़ते हैं. Ayurveda is remembrance of our true nature, of our inner harmony. Ayurveda is heritage, a gift to the world, a legacy of life. Ayurveda is eternal, sacred, infinite. The journey continues deep within us and around us. Ayurveda lives in nature. This is the wisdom of India shared with the world. A gift of harmony, a gift of life. Ayurveda forever.
Ayurveda observes life deeply. Every moment, every breath. हर पल कुछ कह रहा होता है. The body is always speaking. We just forgot how to listen. Ayurveda teaches us again to reconnect with our nature, to reconnect with ourselves. Prakriti, your unique constitution. No two people are the same. Everyone heals differently. Ayurveda respects individuality, healing tailored for you, your body, your rhythm, your nature. Ayurveda joins these rhythms and restores harmony. हर रोग की एक जड़ होती है. आयुर्वेदा उस जड़ तक पहुंचता है. The root, the source, that's where healing begins. Not on the surface, but deep within. This is true medicine. Ayurveda treats time itself. Kal, the natural cycles, time, seasons, rhythms. Each influence health. Each shapes the body. Seasons change dosas. Bodies adapt. Ritucharya guides this. Living with the seasons, living with nature. This is the Ayurvedic way. Dinacharya, daily rhythm. Abhyanga, self-massage. Yoga, mindful movement. Pranayama, mindful breath, sattvic bhojan, pure diet, healthy digestion, healthy life, Agni, the digestive fire, the core of health. Ayurveda protects this fire. Ayurveda protects this fire and restores its strength. Herbs supports this fire. Herbs supports digestion. Haldi, jeera, saunf, ginger, the universal medicine. Tulsi, the holy leaf. Brahmi, the mind herb. Each herb has wisdom. Each herb has memory. Ayurveda uses them mindfully, in balance with intention. Oil therapies calm the mind. Shirodhara, oil over the forehead, releasing stress, aligning the mind, and strengthening the nervous system. Sound therapy heals emotions. Vibration heals energy. Mantras align the mind. Peace returns. Stillness blossoms. Ayurveda calls this sattva, a pure state of mind. A calm mind heals faster. A peaceful mind lives longer. Ayurveda nurtures this state. This is true wellness. This is true balance. आज की दुनिया तेज दौड़ रही है, but humans are slowing down inside. The stress is rising, sleep is shrinking, anxiety is growing. Ayurveda addresses this crisis from the root by restoring inner harmony. Modern science is catching up. Its diet, its herbs, its therapies. Yoga and Ayurveda now global. The world embraces nature and returns home. Home to balance, home to harmony. Ayurveda is timeless, eternal, universal, not limited to boundaries, not limited to age. Ayurveda heals all, children, adults, elders, mind, body, spirit. It unites them into the rhythm, one harmony, one life force. Ayurveda is prana, the energy of life, the breath of being. It flows in all natures, moves through all nature. Ayurveda aligns this flow, restores this current, heals the whole being. This is true wellness. This is true life. Ayurveda brings us back to who we are, back to balance, back to harmony, back to nature, and back to ourselves.
Ayurveda lives inside nature and nature lives inside us. The deep connection heals. The connection restores, a silent communication begins. Between body and universe, between self and existence, Ayurveda wakes this link and strengthens it so life becomes whole, complete, balanced. Modern medicine saves life. Ayurveda enhances life. Together they create wellness, together they guide humanity. Imagine a world where body and mind are aligned, where health begins with it, where nature is our teacher. This is Ayurveda world. A world is balance, a world of harmony, a world of true willingness. आज के युग में जब दो तेज है और मन बेचैन, आयुर्वेदा एक प्रदीप है, a shining lamp in darkness, guiding us home to ourselves, home to truth. Ayurveda teach simplicity, simplicity of living, simplicity of being. अपने आप से सही तरह मिलना, meeting your true self, beyond fears, beyond illusion. Ayurveda heals the unseen, heals the unspoken, heals the untouched, and through healing, it reveals truth, the truth of harmony, the truth of balance, the truth of life. Ayurveda connects the dots, mind, body, soul, all woven together, all living as one. यही तो जीवन का सार है. This is the enhance of life, to living in harmony, to live in awareness, to live with gratitude. Ayurveda reminds us that life is scared, that breath is divine, that health is blessing, a life of honor, a life to be protected. As we grow older, our bodies speak louder. They demand care, they demand balance. Ayurveda provides this care, soft nature, deep, healing the strengthens, healing the transforms. Transformation is a goal, becoming a better self, a healthier self, a more peaceful self. Ayurveda guides this path gently because healing is tender. Healing is scared, healing is personal. Ayurveda respects this. respectful and your journey. Respect your peace, a journey back to balance, a journey back to truth, a journey back to yourself. This is wellness. Wellness that lasts, wellness that flows, like breathe, like life. Ayurveda brings clarity. Clarity brings peace. Peace brings health. Health brings freedom. Freedom to live fully. Freedom to live naturally. Freedom to live continuously. Ayurveda lights the freedom. A flame passed down generation from sex to Sikhs, from India to the world. A flame that still burns. A flame that still guides. A flame that still heals. Ayurveda is eternal, boundless. The science of life, the music of nature, the harmony of existence. यही आयुर्वेदा का संदेश है. Live with balance, live with awareness, live with nature. For in nature we return to home, and in home we find peace. The Ayurveda gift. Ayurveda is mankind. Ayurveda to the world. Ayurveda, a eternal science of life. The wisdom of age. The light that never fades.